cost of a new concrete driveway is typically priced per square foot, and this figure can vary widely based on several key factors. On average, you can expect to pay between $8 and $18 per square foot for a professionally installed concrete driveway. This price usually includes all aspects of the job, from preparation to the final pour and finish. Let's break down what goes into that number. The single biggest factor is often labor, which can account for a large portion of the total cost. Labor rates change significantly depending on your geographic location. Contractors in major metropolitan areas will charge more than those in rural settings. The complexity of the job also impacts labor hours. The cost of materials is another primary component. Concrete itself is priced by the cubic yard, and the thickness of your driveway slab determines how much you'll need. A standard residential driveway is typically 4 inches thick, which is sufficient for cars and light trucks. However, if you have heavier vehicles like an RV, you might need a 5 or 6 inch slab, which will increase material costs substantially. Reinforcement is also a critical material consideration. Adding wire mesh or steel rebar grids inside the concrete adds strength and helps prevent cracking, but it also adds to the per square foot price. Site preparation is a huge variable that can dramatically swing the final cost. If you have an existing driveway that needs to be removed, such as old, cracked concrete or asphalt, there will be demolition and disposal fees. The land itself must be properly prepared. This involves excavating the area, grading it for proper water drainage, and laying down a compact subbase of gravel. A flat, easily accessible lot will be much cheaper to prepare than a sloped site with poor soil or many obstacles like tree roots. The shape and design of your driveway matter as well. A simple, straight rectangular slab is the most cost-effective option. Adding curves, unique shapes, or a circular turnaround requires more complex formwork and more labor, increasing the overall price. Furthermore, the finish you choose has a major impact. A standard broom finish is the most common and least expensive option. If you want a more decorative look, you can opt for stamped concrete, which mimics the appearance of stone, brick, or pavers. This is a labor-intensive process that can push your costs to the high end of the range, sometimes exceeding $20 per square foot. Other decorative options include adding color pigments to the concrete mix or creating an exposed aggregate finish, both of which add to the final price tag. Always remember to factor in potential permit fees required by your local municipality. To get an accurate idea, it's essential to get at least 3 detailed quotes from reputable, licensed contractors who can assess your specific site conditions and project requirements. Thank you for watching. For more home improvement cost breakdowns, please subscribe to our channel.